Listen, if she's using you, then it's time to put a stop to things before they get any worse. And when I say worse, I mean you continue to fall more in love with her while she treats you like garbage. Well, now I'm here to get you well acquainted with the signs she's using you so you can put the pieces of the puzzle together. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about the things women do when they are not in love with you and just using you. And the first thing is you feel incomplete. I mean, when you're around her, you feel like something is missing, almost as if you're not complete. Well, obviously, this is because she's not reciprocating with her emotions, and so you want to please her and make her fall for you. But instead, the plan backfired. You see, when it comes to learning the signs she's using you, trusting your gut feeling is the best thing you can do for yourself. Number two is she runs the show. Now you're feeling like you're doing all the work. Well, that's because you are. I mean, you're going above and beyond to please her, yet she never does anything for you. She's the one holding all the power in the relationship. She tells you what to do, when and how to do it. She ultimately controls you and the relationship. Well, I wouldn't call this a fair relationship, would you? Number three is you are a shoulder of support. Whenever she needs emotional support, you are the shoulder she runs to, and most of the conversations are about her life and the problems in it. But what happens when you have a problem? Does she sit and listen, or is she suddenly too busy to listen to you? Well, if she's only patient when she shares her problems with you, then it's no longer a two-way street. And this is one of the clearest signs she's using you. Number four is she rewards you if you do something for her. Now, this is similar to dangling a carrot in front of a donkey. Basically, she manipulates you into doing something for her that you may not feel comfortable doing in order for you to get the carrot in front of your face. This carrot could be sex, commitment, or even affection. She is simply using you to get what she wants. Number five is she's a pretty complex person. She needs attention and validation, and she needs it right now. So she brings out all the excuses that she's complicated and going through some personal things in her life, blah, blah, blah. Then she acts vulnerable and comes crawling to you each time you stand up for yourself or try to push her away. Well, you're not dealing with a complicated woman. This is simply one of the signs she's using you. Number six is she often needs her space. Okay, so she hung out with you on the weekend, but now she needs her space, treating you like every other guy. And right when you feel discouraged, she comes back, reeling you back in. And this is probably going to lead you to wonder, is she using me? Well, yes, she is. Number seven is that people don't know you. She has friends, but you've never met them before. She doesn't feel the need to introduce you to her friends. Well, that's because she doesn't see you as someone she's going to be with. Rather, you are just a stepping stone to the next guy. Number eight is she's into your bank account. Sadly, this is one of the most obvious signs she's using you. For instance, you may hate your job and complain about it all the time, but she loves it. She's usually a great listener when it comes to your bank account and financial status. Well, that's because that's the only reason she's with you. Number nine is you often question if she's into you. Now, deep down, when you go to bed at night, you're wondering if she even likes you. And you're often wondering, is she using me? Now, aside from your self esteem, your gut is telling you the truth. So, if you have the feeling that she's using you for everything you have, then you are most likely right about it. So, trust your guts. Number 10 is your family and friends don't like her. Now, the good thing about friends and family is that they're usually upfront and honest with you. And so, when they don't like her, they most likely have seen what you can't see since you're blindly in love with her. And instead of her showing concern about the issue, she will try to push you further away from them, trying to shift your attention onto her and only her. Well, it's a strategy to keep you all to herself, but only when it suits her. Number 11 is she's only into you at certain times of the day. This may sound weird, but have you noticed that she only hangs out with you during the day or at night? Where this is a strange behavior because if she meets up with you only at nighttime, then she may only see you as a booty call and doesn't want to invest any more time into you. And if she meets you only at daytime, then she isn't interested in spending her nights beside you. She's simply putting you on shifts to suit her. It's one of the signs she's using you because otherwise the time of the day just wouldn't matter. Number 12 is you are free to say no. I mean, when you're in a one sided relationship and your woman is manipulating you, you definitely will be scared to say no to her. You worry about how she'll react and what the punishment will be for not going along with her plan. But this is simply a form of manipulation and it's not something you should put up with. Number 13 is when you say what you want, you are a bad person for it. Now, you may be slowly catching on to the fact that you're not getting what you want out of the relationship. And then you try to confront her, telling her how you feel. But instead of her understanding you, she points the finger at you. She calls you selfish for only wanting sex and intimacy. Now, this is one of the major signs she's using you and she's in defense mode. Number 14 is she doesn't commit to any long term plans. Now, long term could mean a couple of months from now or years from now, but the point is she's not committing to anything. Maybe you have a wedding coming up in a month and you ask her to be your date. But instead of her saying yes, she gives you a maybe and some flaky excuse that goes with it. Well, this is a sign that she's not sure if she's going to be with you that far ahead. Now, number 15 is she's always slow to reply to you. Whether it's via text message or phone call, she's not quick to reply to you. Of course, some people are too busy at work to reply, but you always have a minute to quickly reply to someone you care about. But yet, she takes hours to reply. She doesn't really care. And that's simply because she's keeping you around for what she wants. Number 16 is she doesn't remember the small details. We all know how important the small things are when it comes to relationships. The details that we know about the other person makes all the difference, but she doesn't remember the small things. Number 17 is you don't feel safe. Now, I'm not saying she's going to kill you in the middle of the night, but you just don't feel secure with yourself or the relationship. You feel that she'll leave you when she finds someone better than you. Well, since you're watching this video, then you know quite well what this feeling is like. And it's certainly one of the signs she's using you. Number 18 is she mentions her ex frequently. Well, of course, we all talk about our exes from time to time, especially if we spent a lot of time with them in the past. These are people we cannot simply avoid because they're in our memories. But if she's going on and on about her ex, well, she's not clearly over him yet. This is a huge sign that shows you're not the one and that she's probably with you for another reason. And the last sign is there is no affection. She only shows affection when you're in the bedroom. However, when you're out in public or talking to each other one on one, she is cold. There's no physical contact or sweet words exchanged between you two. In fact, she's making sure she doesn't cross the line. She obviously doesn't want anyone to see that you guys are together. Now that you know the signs she's been using you all this time, then you need to stop and take a look at the relationship. It's entirely possible that she doesn't realize what she's doing. In that case, sit her down and have a conversation. Explain that you feel like the relationship is a little one sided and you would like to change that. And if she's really totally unaware of how she's been acting, she will be surprised by your conversation and therefore try to change her ways. But if she comes all defensive or she refuses to make the changes you've talked about, then you really have to assess whether this relationship is worth your time. I mean, you're making all the effort and getting nothing out of it while she's reaping all the benefits. Then you should simply walk away. Thanks for watching. If you've learned something from this video, please do consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Drop your opinions or questions in the comment section. Like and share this video with your friends and family. See you in my next video.